I'm sure everyone has heard about Tesla wanting to be taken private now, at least according to the CEO, Elon Musk. And so I wanted to give you a couple words around that situation. So the title of this video today was that Tesla is dangerous. Let me contextualize that before we get any crazy hate mails about this. I actually think Tesla is a decent long-term company. So for long-term holders in the stock here, and if you're willing to play the game, whether this company gets taken private or not, and just kind of stick it out, this may not be important. But what I have seen, a lot of people and a lot of discussions that we're seeing people having, finding this current situation, which has tremendous amount of uncertainty, to be something that they want to speculate on in the near term. I can tell you there's so much uncertainty around this, whether there's even any funding at all for this deal. I would expect there is some, considering the fact that they tweeted about it, or the CEO did. But there's so much speculation and so much volatility here that from a swing trading perspective, meaning a few days to maybe a few weeks, I think you are going to have a very difficult time psychologically holding on to this, unless you literally just want to kind of do a coin flip, but that's not really trading, that is just pure gambling, right? So there's a lot of uncertainty around a company like this getting funding, period. A company's not even profitable. If they were to get funded for this and basically convert equity into debt, all of a sudden then they're going to pay like 6.5%, 7% on that, as opposed to dividend-free stock. So it doesn't make a lot of sense. Again, it's not to say there's not a buyer who's willing to fund this. It's entirely possible, but I think that's exactly the point. It's just extremely volatile. So you can see shares of Tesla here always volatile, but the volatility, at least on a sort of day-over-day basis, has been added quite a bit. And so a lot of the news flow is either happening in the afternoon sessions or after the close. So anyway, the point is here, and I don't want to make this too long a thing, I just think the stock from a swing trading perspective, again, a few days to a few weeks, is really, really difficult at this point, at this juncture. I don't think it's worth making a bet here. Again, long-term investors, that's a different situation, but I kind of wanted to just let you know about that. Also, wanted to invite you to our next workshop. It's going to take place in Denver, Colorado. Make sure to join us there. The link is down below or in the email that you might have received this in, but these workshops are tremendously valuable. 2.5-day workshops is what they are. We go through everything you need to know to finally become a profitable market participant, and really make sure you can start making money in all the different market environments. So I hope this is helpful, folks. Again, I would suggest one stays away from Tesla here from a swing trading perspective for the time being, and see you guys next time.